Now we have Share Now, which is a merger. And you know, sometimes you wonder, there are two companies doing exactly the same, and then they come together. That makes so much sense.
The perfect wedding.
I give you the clicker. Give
you.
us an update. I know we're doing an interview.
Yes.
Okay. So of course. Now, when did you join Share Now? Share Now obviously is a new business, but when did you start working
together
in the ride-sharing space?
Yes. With Share Now, we just started in February, bringing together Car2Go coming from Daimler and Drive Now coming from the BMW side.
And Six.
No, Six is not part of the. It's not part of the game, right? But they have been working with Six together. That's right. That's true. And yeah, it's the perfect wedding between.
And Car2Go,
two main players.
Where Drive Now?
I was the CEO on the Car2Go side.
And when did you join Car2Go? From the
in 2016.
2016. So you are like long there, right? And how many cars you have on the streets now?
Yeah, with Share Now, we are serving our customers with more than 20,000 cars.
20,000 cars.
Yes. Yeah.
And they distribute among the metropoles, I guess.
Yeah, we have a footprint with 31 cities worldwide, with a footprint in North America and in Europe. And yeah, that's the reason why we are also the biggest free-floating car-sharing provider worldwide.
So a normal car is getting used only like 1–2%.
Yes.
How much percent are your cars being used?
Much more, for sure. We need that. We need the utilization on the cars. This is what we believe in, and what our customers also believe in. That it's much more important to share that nice asset, because we also know that our customers, they love to drive cars. They love cars. It's not that they don't care about what kind of cars they are driving. And with BMW and Daimler bringing the nice assets together, I think the offer is really, really attractive.
So how many customers or how many rides? I don't know if you publish something or what's official you can say, but give us an idea about size.
Yeah, we have more than 4 million customers worldwide, and we are doing roughly 3 million rides per month, means
it's a substantial ride, right?
Yes, it's good, yeah.
And customers come because they want to save the world, they want to make it green, they want to save money. What do you think is like the number one?
It's a lot of these aspects, but first of all, they understand that your urban mobility is very easy to do with a combination between car sharing, but also using public transport, using other services like bike sharing and so on. And honestly, a city like Berlin, you really don't need to own your own car to be very flexible in the type of mobility you need. Yeah?
Shall we call a ride share and find a car near here? I mean, what's availability? I mean, there's price, comfort, speed, availability. How available are cars in the German cities from you?
Yeah, it's one of the biggest challenges we have, because we know in order to be relevant, if you open 5 times the application and you don't find a car around you.
Same with the taxi apps, right?
It's very frustrating, yeah, and means today the cars are not fully autonomous, you know, and we are not able to, I would say, move the car, I would say, from being steered automatically. And our challenge is exactly to provide, I would say, a certain level of availability as soon as you open our app.
So it's good enough for 4 million customers, obviously. Do you need more cars? 20,000? I mean, how many cars are there? Like hundreds of thousands, I guess. Then you have, marketplace-wise, also more users. Is availability an inhibitor for your growth?
Oh, yes, clearly yes.
Why don't your shareholders give you another 20,000 cars?
They would be willing to do that. We are looking into the utilization of the car. We want to improve the quality of life in the city. Yeah? We want driving cars and not parking cars.
Right.
What we know is if all the cars would be fully autonomous today, yeah, we would be able to do our 35 million rentals we do per year with half of the fleet. And that must be the objective in the future, with the autonomous technology. Being able to do the same amount of rentals, but with less car.
Let's talk about price. So we open up the app and we want to go to Tegel Airport. What does it cost as a Schernau customer?
It depends how long the ride will be, but yes, we know that we are very attractive, comparable to
Is it like
taxi.
€5 or €10? Or?
It depends. If you are living near to Tegel, yes, then it's €5. But what we know, and this is what we are looking at, is what is if you compare this type of transport to what you are doing with a taxi, we know that we are minimum 30% cheaper.
30% cheaper
Yeah,
than...
minimum, yeah.
Okay. And your shareholders want to sell cars, right? Yeah. This is how they got big. Isn't that for them a conflict of interest to push a car sharing business where car ownership in that model would go down?
For sure.
Is it like a classical don't wait to get cannibalized, cannibalize yourself situation?
Exactly.
Or?
Yeah, because we are not a startup anymore, honestly. We started on both sides, on Daimler side and on BMW side. They both have been pioneers in creating, being the pioneers for free-floating car sharing 10 years ago. Means they understood that mobility in an urban area will be disrupted in the future, and you have to be with a different type of offer, being able to provide the mobility with your product, and that's why they supported during the last 10, 11 years that concept. Yeah.
Yeah, it's more than an R&D project because you generate substantial revenues. Also,
yeah.
Right?
Oh yes, yeah.
How international is Schernau? I mean, obviously you have 2 German shareholders and you probably started in Germany, but can you say how much revenues or rights you have outside Germany?
We are present. We are in 14 countries, 31 cities. 2 countries are North America.
Yeah, you can put one car in Calcutta and then you have another city, right?
Exactly, but this is not. It's not something we want to do on paper. We want, in reality, to be a relevant provider.
Is it like half now, or
sorry?
Is Germany like half this side?
In Germany, we have 7 cities. Yeah, and we will further grow because we are now in the biggest cities in Germany. But our objective is clearly to go also in the second-tier cities, because we are convinced that with the new...
You just have to walk longer to the parked car by the previous user.
Yeah, but you know, we are not only relevant in the bigger cities. Yeah, we also experience in smaller cities with a lot of success. Nice. And we see the service is adopted. The access to the car is very easy. It's a combination between being digital and using a real asset.
Right.
And I think it's really appealing what we are offering to the customers.
What's the average age of your customer?
Yeah, that's very interesting. It's moving. Today it's between 30 and 35.
Oh,
but
so it's quite...
Our early adopters have been younger, but now it's going.
Now the parents learn from the children.
Exactly, because it's very easy to use, and there is no need, no reason being, I would say, afraid using our service.
Right. Mobility is becoming very competitive. To go from A to B, you have many options, and optionality brings competition. Who are you competing with in the car sharing market specifically? Since you merged now in Germany, are there any other players?
There are other players with other type of offers. But
Drivey was there, but I think it got acquired.
But what is important is all these players, first of all, are trying to convince the biggest competitor, and the biggest competitor is the mindset of the people still in the city. A lot of people still believe they need to own their own cars.
It's a status symbol for some.
And it's also a status symbol, yes, that's true. And that's why we are happy also having other providers in the markets with other type of...
They open up the market.
Exactly, and also bringing more relevance to this type of mobility and sharing to the customers. Yeah.
I think it's wonderful. It's a joint project by 2 big champions in Germany who work together.
Yes.
To make the world a better place.
Yeah, also
be proactive around that. Thank you so much.
Really You're welcome.
Appreciate our talk.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my God.